Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got a Porsche 986 Boxster S that I'm doing the actual IMS bearing. Let's have a look at this IMS bearing. Before I start, I'm just doing a quick video. I'm putting a new cooler because that's already starting to leak. Down to here as well. The coolant there, starting to leak down. So I'm putting a new cooler. New one of these. They usually leak as well. The plug, rectangular plug. The actual rear main's just starting to leak, so you can see there. And the actual cap for the actual IMS bearing leaking already, so you can see right there. Oil separator is leaking already, pretty pressurizing, pretty bad. I'm replacing these hose here as well, that big hose, because they usually crack in the middle here. Sometimes they crack on the corner there. It's really a pain, really hard to actually do in the car. Oh, it's just the way it's routed, it's really hard. I'm doing the spark plugs. I'm going to do the spark plug as well. New spark plugs, new drive belt, new water pump. Let's go have a look at the other side here. This is the same car that I showed the engine. So we just finished doing one side here. Additional spring, which is called bump stops. That's a brand new one. We put new lubricate the actual bearings as well with new grease, and put some installation grease as well here to stop it from actually binding up the rubber. So this side here is all done. We'll do the other side now. So you can see all the timing is locked up right there. Pop that center. I've got to remove the intake manifold and clean it. Clean the intake manifold, a little oil in there as well. Just double check a lot of stuff. But I'm getting close now to finishing the job. So this will be the first one. This is a different. I've got a lot of videos on YouTube about different cars, but I still do the video anyway because every owner is different, so they want to see what I've done to the engine and car. All right, a few little vacuum lines I'll be replacing as well. Just minor stuff, but for now, just quickly showing you the major stuff I'm doing. All right, thanks for watching and please subscribe.